This cat is called find the middle element. What we have is a function that takes a list as an argument with 3 values every time. And we have to filter out the middle value. And what do we mean by the middle value? This one, because it lies in the middle? No. We have to filter out the number that lies between the minimum number, 1, and the maximum number, 3. And we don't have to return the number itself, but its index, index 0, like you see here. How can we achieve this? Well, how do we get the index in the first place of the middle value of the two? For that, we can use the index method as follows. So we have the input array, the list, then we use dot index, and then we can put in the value that we are searching to, and that will return its index. But yeah, how do we find out what the middle value is? For that, I have an ID. I want to filter out the minimum and maximum value and use a condition after that. First of all, how do we get the minimum and maximum value? Well, as follows. I directly assign them to variables. Minimum is equal to, and then we use the minimum function and pass in the list again. And that will filter out the minimum value. And the maximum will work the same. So the maximum will be findable with the max function. Let me actually print them out so you can see it. Minimum, that's 1, and the maximum would be 3. There we have it. And then we can start iterating and use conditions. So for number in input array, if the number is not exclamation mark equal sign minimum and number is not maximum, then we should return the index of this number. Oh, let's have a look here. That will be 0. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Hope this has been useful. And did you learn something from it? Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.